Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to tune your Lyre harp with and without a tuner. But first, let me say that if your Lyre is new, it doesn't stay in tune very well. This is normal because new strings need time to break in. It took me 4 days of tuning and playing before they stay in tune. For other people, it may take up to a week. So give it a few days, tune every day, the strings should be able to settle in. Let's go back in. The rule to remember for tuning is if you want to raise the pitch, tighten the string. If you want to lower the pitch, loosen the string. We do this with a tuning wrench. It turns these pins to tighten or loosen a string. You can use a tuner to tell you if the pitch is higher, lower, or equal to the desired pitch. But if you don't have a tuner, you can tune by ear by working from a reference note. The reference note can come from a piano or other instruments you know is in tune. Play the notes on the piano, then play on your lyre, tune the string until they sound the same. I prefer tuners because they feel more accurate. You can use portable ones. There are many to choose from, but they all cost you money, so many people, like me, would consider the free options out there. What I'm talking about are free apps you can download onto your phones. I've used insTuner on iOS and Chroma on Android. I like them because they're free to use and they're ad-free. But you don't have to use these two. Just go to where you download your apps, find a tuner that has many downloads and good reviews. I like to put the lyre over the app. This way it picks up the sounds really well. If your lyre is small or if it doesn't have an opening, point the microphone of your phone. That's where you're talking to face the lyre. For this video, I'll put the tuner here so you can see the screen. I'll be tuning my 16-string lyre to the C major scale, the standard on most modern lyres. Depending on the songs you want to play, there can be alternative tunings. I'll start with the lowest G. The tuner shows you if the string is just right, too low or too high. The best case is when the pointer hits right in the middle. According to the tuner, my G is too low. Remember what I said before? To raise the pitch, tighten the string. So I use the tuning wrench. You will notice I use very small movements and I check with my tuner again and adjust again. Try to make the pointer hit exactly in the middle, but sometimes it's hard to get it exactly right. If that's the case, I'd rather tune it so the pitch is slightly higher than lower. Because the string is full of tension, it will always want to relax. So if it's a little higher, it has more wiggle room before it sounds really out of tune. Continue on with the rest of the strings. Remember to tune using very small movements. And we're done! I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Bye for now, have fun playing.